Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make sticker moves by using the animations feature on the CapCut PC. So here I've already added a clip and I want to just add stickers to my clip. So just click on the stickers menu at the top. Here I'm going to just use the trending sticker now on the CapCut PC. Oops. Okay, I'm going to just add maybe this stickers here. Okay, I'm going to just add this. Okay, and you can see that the sticker has like some animation in it, but I want to make the sticker move, the whole sticker move. So just click on a sticker and click on the animations tab at the top, and in here you can just choose which one, but I prefer the loop animation. So click on the loop animation and choose the one that you want. There are lots of options that you can choose. I'm going to choose this wobble animation. Click on that and adjust the speed. So I'm going to go with 0.9 seconds, and you can see now the sticker is moving like that. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, comment, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.